Christmas is coming, and what better way to welcome the season than by making something sweet and festive in the kitchen? The smell of freshly baked treats, the sparkle of sugar, and the joy of creating together. Let's move the roasted walnuts into the blender. Blend until finely chopped. Now add the walnuts and flour into a bowl. Give it a good stir. Though everything mixes together nicely, then set aside. Next, in another bowl, we're adding the batter, half a cup of icing sugar, a splash of vanilla, and just a pinch of salt. Mix it all up until it's nice and creamy. Gradually add the flour and walnut mixture into the butter mixture. Beat on low speed until everything is just combined. Place the dough on some plastic wrap and press it into a 1-inch thick disc. Wrap it up nice and tight. Chill in the fridge for about 30 to 45 minutes, just until it's firm but still soft enough to work with. Line your baking tray with parchment paper or silicone baking mat. Take the dough out of the refrigerator and carefully unwrap it from the plastic wrap. Scoop about 1 tablespoon of dough and roll it into a ball. Place the dough balls on the prepared baking sheet, spacing them at least 2 inches apart. Bake for 15 minutes on 175 degrees Celsius. Let the cookies cool on the wire rack for 10 minutes, then gently drop the cookies into the icing sugar and turn to coat completely. Transfer the cookies to a wire rack in a single layer, reserving the remaining icing sugar. Once cooled, then coat them again in the powdered sugar for a perfect finish. Pop the cookies into a cookie jar, and they're ready. Seriously, they're so delicious and just melt in your mouth. Save and follow for more recipes.